Hey guys, I hope everything is going well on your side, and once again I'm back with a fresh strategy for making money online. So today we'll be making money online using one of the easiest methods ever, and that is by simply clicking on ads. A lot of people have filled up their pockets using the same strategy, and all you need to do is click on the ad and start earning money. As ridiculous as it sounds, but it's true. The thing is, there's no follow-up task required from you, and that is literally all you need to do. You simply need to wait for a couple of minutes, 40 minutes at most, and you'll be hit with a cash deposit notification. What I like about this strategy is that anyone can do it. It doesn't need you to be a pro, not to mention that your current location is irrelevant. It has been made available in all parts of the world and it's completely free, so they will not ask you for money. What you will need though is your laptop or smartphone which has internet. In simpler terms, you will only need the device you are using right now to watch this video, and the best part about it is I'll show you how to do it correctly so you can make the most money. And I also have bonus tips that will make the process a lot easier and faster. So you need to make sure you watch the video till the end, and remember to subscribe to the channel if you are new and if you want different methods of earning money online for free. So without further ado, I'm the Make Money Online strategist. Let's not waste time, let's make some cash. So the website in question is ads.This, a great option for earning money from the comfort of your home by taking easy jobs, taking surveys and other tasks. And another thing is, this website is also used by advertisers to advertise their goods or services by displaying ads on this very website. So right now, here they have a variety of surveys, contests, P2P referrals and other task bonuses. So that definitely confirms that there are different ways of earning money from this website, but what I'd like us to pay attention to is clicking on ads, because it's the simplest way to earn money on the internet and it's very profitable. But a quick warning though, do not skip any parts of the video just to rush to the part where you'll make money, because that will hurt your chances of making money because you'll miss the important parts. Okay, so these are the payout options, which include perfect money, payee, faucet pay, and if you want to see it to believe it, I'll show you payment proofs from some of the people that got paid from the same strategy. But don't worry, because I'll show you every step in detail on how to do this properly to stack some cash immediately. Now this in front of you is some of the payment proof, so you can see for yourself how much people are earning from this platform. Just like you can see here, there's a vast number of people who are the highest earners, and when you take a look just below, you'll see the usernames of the people who have already been paid, and the more you scroll down you can tell that a lot of people have been paid by this website, which is excellent news if you ask me. Now before I forget, I'd like you to leave a comment below what country you're from so I can include subtitles in the next video in your home language so you can grasp concepts quicker to save some time. Now, as I mentioned earlier on, some of these people here earn money by simply clicking on ads, while others take surveys, completed offers and participate in contests. But like I told you before, we won't be doing the other activities, but we will simply click on ads because we are in a hurry to make money. Now after watching this video, you should be confident to make money by trying these things I'm teaching you, and you'll be amazed by the earning potential this strategy will give you. So to start making money today, you'll need to be a member on this website. So what you need to do is create an account, and you do not need to be worked up about it because the sign up process is completely free, and I'll show you how to sign up for a free account so you can be in a position to start earning money. Now before we dive in, I'd like you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and like the video if you want to make money online, and don't forget to leave a comment if there's something you are missing so I can quickly reply to assist you. Okay, now when you get back to the homepage of this website, you will have to take a look at the top left of your screen and you'll see a button labeled register, and you're gonna click on it, and then you'll be redirected to a page like this, which is their registration page, of course. Now what you need to do right here is as straightforward as it could be. All you need to do is complete the information required from you, like your full name, username, email address, create a password, your date of birth, and after that you have to click on the box that confirms that you are not a robot, and then click on the box below which confirms that you agree with their terms and conditions. And now you have to seal the whole sign up process by clicking on the register button, and now my friend, just like that, you have a brand new account on this website. The earning potential on this strategy is massive, so it's advisable that you get on it as soon as possible. So you need to watch the video till the end so you can understand all of the requirements before you quit watching the video and decide to figure out things on your own. I promise you'll be frustrated when you try to do that. And let me point it out that I'll explain all of the important factors as well as some extra bonus tips to accelerate the speed in which you will make the money. So now that you've got your own brand new account, what you're gonna see once you're logged in is what we call the leaderboard. Here you see the people that have been paid the most money and who have earned the most money. So if you watch closely and follow my prompts as is, your username will definitely show up on that very list. So on this page right here, you will see some ads that you can click on to start making cash with immediate effect. But don't panic when you see ads that are different from these, because the website keeps changing ads by replacing an old set of ads with a new one. And that happens pretty much every day. So all of these ads will pay you money when you click on them, and the best part about it is that you do not need to do anything after clicking on them. So if you do exactly that and click on a number of adverts, you will definitely be in a position for earning a lot of money without using your energy at all. All you need to do is click on them and watch your account grow. You simply wait for a couple of seconds, 40 seconds tops, or depending on how long they want you to stay, but still the wait doesn't go any longer than the 40-second mark. So now when you scroll down, you'll see a couple of banner advertisements. This one, for example, and here's another one. So once you click on any of them, you'll put yourself in a position to make tons of money. And the highest paying ads are the banner ads, which pay the most because different companies pay a lot of money for banner ads. So this website will pay you tons of money for clicking on them. So now here's the bonus tip I've been promising you since the start of the video. I want us to add a lot of money and make it a lot faster by adding another website we can visit so we can click on ads. Now the website I want us to visit is oju.com. So here you can earn money by simply viewing ads. Just like it says here, oju.com will pay you for viewing advertisements for our partners. So what happens here is that the businesses come to Oju to advertise their products and then pay them a certain fee, which Oju splits with the people that views the ad, which is me and you in this case. So the step you need to take is to register and set up an account for free and start clicking on the ads to make a lot of money without spending any. Now if you want more ways for making money online, you can check out the rest of the videos from the channel and start making a lot of money without investing anything. So that's it for today. I'll see you in some of my next videos. Thanks for watching.